Hi and welcome to day 7 of the 30-day social media blitz training program, and today we're going to be installing your website. You can install a shop if you've got a shop on your website, and a contact form, video, and whatever you like inside Facebook using this free app. Now we are backtracking slightly today. We're going to go through a free and very easy way to install your website contact form, payment form on Facebook so that you can promote and sell your product or service right inside Facebook, either for free or a very small fee. Now I know on day 5 we covered Heyo.com. This is a paid application for importing your website, your forms and things into Facebook. Now don't get me wrong, this is an absolute great application. However, I had some people that were concerned about the monthly costs. So it is $25 for Heyo. So I thought I'd do a little bit of backtracking. There are hundreds of apps out there that will do the same thing as what I'm going to show you. However, the reason why I didn't actually even suggest this one in particular a few days ago is I need to personally test and measure all the apps that I suggest to you guys to make sure that they work properly and they do what you want them to do. So now I've had some up-to-date training on this particular application and am happy to approve and show you guys. So here goes. Right, the app's called thunderpenny.com. So basically, just a little bit of technical jargon here, but it allows you to install a static HTML iframe tab onto your Facebook. So what this means to the non-techie is we're just going to pop things inside it's going to allow you to pop anything inside, pretty much inside Facebook. So to install the app, we're going to go on your resource PDF document. There is going to be a link to it, but we're going to click on this link here. Actually, first of all, you're going to log into your Facebook page. Then go back to the resource document and click on the link. Now, it will come up with a page like this, static HTML iframe tabs. We're going to go add that static HTML to a page. Then you're going to get a drop-down box like this. Now all the pages that you manage will come into this drop-down box. We're going to click down the drop-down menu and then all the pages are here. Now we're going to add this one to my social media chicks page. So we're going to click on that there. And then we're going to add the frame to the page. Like so. Now it's taken me back to my page, and what you'll see over here, we'll drop down all the tabs. Here it is right here. Now the other day I showed you Heyo, which is this one here and this one here. So my 30-day social media blitz training program and Google. I've done those through Heyo. I showed you an event. So here's my event here. And now here is the Thunderpenny app that we've just popped onto the page. Now you'll see there's just a little star there and a welcome. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on this, and I'm going to show you some functions that we've got on here, and I'm going to bring my website into Facebook onto that tab. So you'll open up to window, you are in the admin mode, view tab in visitor mode, so we can have a look, see what it looks like in visitor mode. At the moment it won't look like anything because we've got nothing in there, but we want to go in and edit the tab. So we click on this button here. Now there are a couple of different options in here. We can add a bit of code in here. So if you have a code to a form or anything like that, some HTML type code, if you're a bit more of a developer in that, you can put the code in here and it will load up whatever it is that your code belongs to. But we're going to do something a little different here. So for instance, that Aweber that I was talking about the other day, I can put the Aweber code right in here and load Aweber up. In fact, I might actually show you how to do this just so that you know. Okay, so I've logged into Facebook and I'm going to go through the steps to I will install, I've logged into Aweber, to my Aweber account, and I'm going to say I will install my form. I'm going to grab this raw HTML version in here and I'm going to copy that information. Now I'm going to go back to my Facebook and I'm going to paste it in here. So that will be my Aweber form, and then show you what we're going to do here. We're going to have a preview of the tab, And there we go, free ebook, the 7 steps to a successful social media strategy. We've got a little picture of the book here, name and email address. Of course, I would probably put a little bit of a privacy policy and whatever in here, but just for the example, to show you how to do this, guys, I'm just going to use this basic one. I'd probably make this a lot prettier as well. But anyway, that's how we install a form, like if you were doing through MailChimp or Aweber. That way now you can also fan gate this. So what I mean by that is we can tick this little box up here and enable the fan gate. So what that means is that it's for people that have not liked your page yet. You can direct them to this page to like the page to be able to download the book. So you also get your likes, and then you also collect a list as well. So we could have put a nice little picture in here, but you know, I would suggest if you're going to do this, you actually get a graphic made up that you can put in here that looks a lot prettier. But anyway, we'll show you the preview tab here. And so that's the content, but if we had the fan gate on, this is what they see. Like our page to get access to our free ebook, you'd have a nice little call to action, make it so that they really would want to do that. So that's how you can fan gate that, and that's how you can get report on there. And we can save and publish this. And it's in here. So if we click on this, it takes us through. Now how we edit this, we can change what this is called down here, and we can also change this picture. So we click on this little pen and it drops down, and we can go edit settings, and we can go free ebook. And the picture, you have to change the custom image so that we have something like this. I haven't made one up yet, but it has to be exactly 111 pixels wide by 74 pixels. I'll have that in the resources, but it has to be 111 by 74. Anything different than that and the picture will not load. Facebook, all these apps are really fussy like that. So we can go save and OK. Now let's just say we wanted this free ebook to be up in the line that people can see on Facebook, so we can change that. We go again back to this little pen, we drop it down, and we can swap positions with, let's just say, our Google Plus page. So we'll just swap it with that, and now we've got our free ebook here. So that's one thing, that's how you can get a form inside Facebook. Now I'm just going to go back into this app again. And show you some other things we can do. So we have a static HTML, which is just what I showed you. We have an image here, so if we click on here, we can upload an image into here, and what it will do is it will give it secure an HTTPS, so it gives it secure hosting. You can do that inside this app. You can load your website up as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to click on that, use website app, and all you have to do is put the page that you would like to show. Now what I suggest you do, and I've done this all along, is go into the website and copy the exact link from there so we know it is correct. And paste. We can preview that. Now what you'll notice is it's really, really wide. It's too wide for the page. Now if you click this remove scroll bars here, it will resize it to the size of the page here. You can play around with the height and the width, but that pretty much sets up your registration, your website inside this app. So then we can go preview tab. So this is what our fans will see. If we wanted to, we could fan gate it, but I don't suggest you fan gate your website. You want people to be able to come straight into it. And done. And we can save and publish that. Back in over here, pull that down, edit settings, and we can go website or register here, or whatever it is you're going to call this, but we're going to go website. It might be shop as well. And then you would want to do a nice little picture here that says shop online. Save that and go OK. Go inside that and see whether it's working. Here we go. So that has pulled in my website. People can go on and they can register right from here inside Facebook, and they can register for my program or buy your products or whatever it is that you have on your website. They can do it right inside Facebook, which is really, really exciting. Some of the benefits of actually loading your website up inside Facebook like this, if you're talking about, now I've mentioned early on in some of the sessions a little thing called Edge Rank. So that is like Google search engine optimization, and it's inside Facebook. So what that means is every single time you make a post, Facebook sends it out. Now it won't send it out to all the people that are fans in your page. It gives it ranking. So it'll send it out to a few people that are fans, and then the more engagement it gets, the more people will, I shouldn't say send it out, the more people will see the post. So Facebook will show it to a certain number of fans, engagement, more people will see it, and it goes viral, and soon, you know, all your fans might be able to see it show up in their news feed. Okay. Now, one of the things that Facebook does is it doesn't want to drive people outside of Facebook, as you can understand. So if you've got an external link in your post that takes people outside of Facebook, now Facebook is not going to give that as good a edge rank. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So if I can put my website inside Facebook, see this link here, that's the link. It's a facebook.com link to an app, and I can go onto my page and I can direct people in a post, hey, check this out on my website, check out my... Now I can post it in here. Now see, it's a link back into Facebook. So it's not going to take away from its ranking. And we can post. Now, of course, I will put a nice little picture in here, 117 by 74, but I haven't done that yet. So that's getting your website in there. We've got a form in there as well. Okay, so let's just say you want to put something on the page that people can buy. So add a PayPal button so that people can come on and sign up to a paid webinar or sign up for a product right from within your Facebook page, you know, without taking them to a website. I do advise you probably have most of these things on your website and you direct them to your website, but this is an option in case you don't have a website. So I'll show you how to do that. So we click again on the app. We edit the tab. We can go change app, and then we have an option of a PayPal in here. So we can click on the PayPal, use the PayPal app, and then we can have the product name, we can upload an image, we can have a different type of background, and then we can have the product description, and then all you have to do is put your PayPal email address in here and the price, and then you can load this up onto your Facebook tab. So you can have your product image, pay now, and this is basically what it would look like. So if you haven't got a website set up at the moment with your products, or you have a one-off product, or you have a webinar or a workshop or something that you're directing people to that you want them to pay for, you can do it right here. Now, and the other thing you can do is you can load videos onto here. So we'll change the app. We can put a YouTube video on here. Use YouTube. Now these have really good tutorials on it as well, but we can put the URL for our YouTube, headline, caption. Make sure you put some type of call to action in here of what you want them to do, and then you can load that up. And what it looks like, it's a little bit like this. So we've got our video, title, call to action, paragraph in here as well. And so you can add a form in here. You know how before I showed you my ready-made form in Aweber? Let's just say you don't have a ready-made form and you just have the name and email address portion of it. You can design a form in here and load it up. So we can put an image, headline or call to action, caption, and the form code, which will probably be an HTML type of code. We can put a different type of background, and then we can preview that tab. So this is a form that's already made up for you. So it looks really, really good. And we've also got location, so you can pop your map here. If you're a local business, you can use this one to load up your map. So those are some of the functions of Thunder Penny Static HTML. Some of the clever ways you can use this app, some of the marketing tips I suggest is add an opt-in form to your website or opt-in form to Facebook. Offer something high perceived value, low cost of delivery. It might be a free ebook or report to get people to opt in. You can fan gate it so you can get people to like your page first to get access to the report. You can add your website or blog to your Facebook page and drive people straight to this page via your timeline or Facebook advertising. You can really highlight and showcase your products and services and sell within Facebook. So make money using social media and drive people away from your Facebook business page and collect them, and take them onto your website. You can also put a booking page to a product or service or a webinar or a workshop and get people to book in right from Facebook. And you can highlight your app on your timeline cover photo, just like I have done here, my 30-day social media training blitz. You could have an arrow pointing down from here that highlights where they can go to your website or where they can register. So it might be, click on here to see our online shop, or get $10 off your next XYZ and fan gate that. So get them to like your page and then get the discount, or free 7 steps to a successful whatever it is ebook. So now it's your turn. Either if you've got a website, load your website up. If you don't have a website and you want to do a contact form, load up a contact form or add a video. So you play around with it and add a tab to your Facebook page. I look forward to seeing some of those tabs, and good luck.